Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. As you can see, this is really bad lighting. That's why I need these two light bulbs. If you do any kind of photography or videography, you know how important good light is. And these light bulbs have really made a difference in mine. I mean, take a look at this. This is with lighting, and this is with no lighting. Look at the shadows and the harshness. Such a difference. Let me show you the good lighting again. Impressive. Those guavas, beautiful. Here's another comparison. This is with just the ceiling light on. See those shadows still? Not so attractive. But I use my lights, a little bit of diffusion, and look at the difference. No shadows. Everything is nice and lit up. So much better. I can't emphasize how much it makes a difference to have bright, good light bulbs when you're trying to take pictures, especially if you're like me and have to do a lot of the work at night when you have no natural light. So if you're looking for some light bulbs for your photography, these are super nice. I have really enjoyed using them and they really make a difference. But that's just my point of view.